Hey book lovers, this is Dr. Aishwarya. Today is a very special day because I am going to unbox a surprise box of books with you which was sent by Kharido Becho books recently. As you all know, reading is just a habit like having your morning coffee or brushing your teeth. If you find your right book, it can even change your life. And trust me, this one is all beginner friendly books and they are perfect if you are a beginner or new to reading journey. So without any delay, let's unbox the package. We all say we want to read more, but somehow we never get around to it. The truth is, reading is a habit, and like any habit, it needs just a small simple start. One good book, one quiet moment, that's all it takes. This Doraemon keychain was the very first thing I pulled out, and it stole my heart right away. Next thing was this beautiful pen. Then I got this cute little postcard. This Krishna magnetic bookmark was next, and it's just so beautiful and peaceful to look at. Next, there were more bookmarks, delicate, colorful, and each carrying a small message or quote. I love how they add a personal touch to reading. Okay, book time. The wait is over, and here comes the first one, Sleeping Dogs by Archana Sharath. Isn't the cover absolutely gorgeous? I love how it sets the tone already. The plot sounds so intriguing. Arna, just 21, is on a mission to find out what really happened to her mother. There's mystery, emotion, and possibly some dark secrets waiting to unfold. Let's see where this one takes us. Next in the box is Ghosts in the Dark Silence by Anita Krishnan, a book inspired by true events which already adds a sense of eerie realism. This is not just one story but a collection of chilling tales, stories where the line between the real and the supernatural blurs. The blurb is intriguing and unsettling, promising experiences that are deeply personal and deeply haunting. I can't wait to uncover what happens to the people caught in these real life horrors. And finally, the last book in this beautiful box, The Mystery of the Graveyard Gold by Vidya V. It's a children's book and I have always loved diving into children's literature. It brings a kind of magic no other genre can. This story follows Karthik and Arav, two boys who discover a pot of gold in a graveyard in Bangalore and end up on a backward treasure hunt. It sounds fun, mysterious and full of wonder. I can't wait to read it. Wait, there's more. I found a cute pencil and an annotating book tab hiding in the box, and that just made me smile even wider. Thank you so much, Kharido Becho books. Every little thing in this box felt special. I truly love it all. Now I can't wait to dive into these books and discover the worlds waiting inside. Books teach us, heal us, and takes us places we have never been. Building a reading habit is one of the kindest things you can do for yourself.